A Singaporean woman is brutally murdered in Spain. The prime suspect? Her longtime acquaintance, Mitchell Ong. But here's the twist. Spain refuses to deport him, and Singapore can't prosecute him. How did this happen? Stay with us as we unravel this international legal conundrum. Welcome to 2230. Today, we're delving into a perplexing case that intertwines international law, human rights, and a tragic loss. In April 2024, 39-year-old Singaporean architect Audrey Fang embarked on a solo trip to Spain. She was last seen leaving her hotel in the Costa Blanca region. The next day, her lifeless body was discovered near a lorry parking area in Abanilla, Murcia, bearing over 30 stab wounds and signs of head trauma. Surveillance footage revealed that Mitchell Ong, a 43-year-old Singaporean and longtime acquaintance of Fang, had picked her up from her hotel. Ong was arrested days later and has since been held in pretrial detention in Spain. Here's where the legal complexities begin. Singapore's Ministry of Home Affairs stated that they lack jurisdiction to prosecute Ong for crimes committed outside their territory. This means that even if Ong were deported to Singapore, he couldn't be tried for Fang's murder. Spain, on the other hand, has refused to deport Ong. A Spanish judge ruled that the deportation request didn't meet the criteria under Article 57.7 of Spain's organic law, which governs the rights and freedoms of foreigners. Moreover, deporting Ong to Singapore could expose him to the death penalty, conflicting with Spain's commitment to human rights and its abolition of capital punishment. Adding another layer to this case, it's been revealed that 6 months before her death, Fang had nominated Ong as the sole beneficiary of her Central Provident Fund account, valued at approximately 498,000 Singapore dollars. This nomination was made in person at a CPF service center. Fang's family, unaware of this nomination, expressed shock and intends to contest it. Mothership. Furthermore, forensic tests found DNA from 2 men on Fang's clothing, suggesting possible involvement of more than one individual. Despite these findings, Ong has consistently denied any involvement in Fang's death. In Spain, both the public prosecutor and the private prosecution, representing Fang's family, have requested that Ong be charged with murder. If convicted, he faces a prison sentence ranging from 15 to 25 years. This case raises several thought-provoking questions. Should countries have the jurisdiction to prosecute their citizens for crimes committed abroad? How do international human rights commitments influence extradition decisions? What safeguards are in place to prevent potential misuse of beneficiary nominations? We'd love to hear your thoughts on these questions. Please share your opinions in the comments below. Reddit. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth discussions on international legal cases.